Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you how to look at power series for e to the power x, and then you can pick one of sine or cosine and do this same analysis. So remember, these are increasing terms of power series, and I'm going to look at the graph to see how close they get. So if I take two terms, 1 plus x, that's wildly different, except for values of x which are very close to 0. So right over here it seems to overlap. If I add a quadratic term, I get agreement for a little less than half for x values, and then they diverge again. I add a cubic term and things start to look a little better, but they still diverge. They agree until, let's call it 1. Adding a fourth power gives us agreement pretty much almost until 1.6 or something, and then they start diverging. Then adding a fifth power gives us agreement a little beyond 2, but not too much. And lastly, with the sixth, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms included, it seems to give me a pretty good agreement until almost 2.5 or a little more than 2.5. But they still diverge. However, you can see that it's a pretty good approximation, right? So as the number of terms increase, it becomes a better and better approximation. I want you to work with maybe 5 or 6 terms for one of sine or cosine x and comment on where they diverge, what value ranges they seem to be working fine with, and all, and then upload that video on Flipgrid. And you can use desmos.com/calculator for plotting these.